Today I will guide you on how to install crossbars on your SUV car. Here are the crossbars I will install, and they came with mounting pads. First, you need to locate the mounting points on your car roof. This vehicle has roof rails, and typically has fixed mounting points, which are usually hidden under covers. Your car might have different roof rails than this one. Use a plastic removal tool, or a suitable flathead screwdriver to remove the 4 covers on the roof railing. After removing the covers, apply a layer of grease to protect the surface from rust. Insert the pads into the rail molding space. Then place the washers and screws. And then fasten the screws. Finally, place the crossbars on the roof. Aligning the feet with the mounting points, ensure they are centered and at the correct distance apart. Place washers and screws into the holes to secure the crossbars. Securely tighten the screws to ensure a stable fit. Once you are finished, check that the crossbars are level and parallel. Here are my installed crossbars, ready for adventure. If you liked this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends by tapping the share button.